Welcome. You are seeing some symbols. So, what are these symbols? Punctuation marks. So, our today's lesson is punctuation. At the end of the lesson, we will be able to identify the symbols of punctuation, apply punctuation to the sentences. Use of semicolon 1. We went to the playground, played football, we enjoyed ourselves. Semicolon is used to stop longer than comma. Use of semicolon 2. He had all the qualifications, yet he did not get the job. If a coordinate clause is added with therefore, yet, then, however, so, otherwise, still, nevertheless, and expresses opposite meaning, semicolon is then used between coordinate conjunction. Now use of colon. There are two kinds of voice: active voice and passive voice. Colon stops longer than semicolon. It is used to explain any previous sentence or quotation. Use of colon 2. We can use it in dialogue. So, Kamal, why did you do this? Jamal, I had nothing to do. It is used between the name of the speaker and his speech at the time of drama or dialogue. Now, use of question mark. How can I help you? Question mark is used after interrogative sentence. Use of exclamation mark. Alas, I'm undone. Exclamation mark is used after interjection. How beautiful the bird is. Exclamation mark is used after exclamatory sentence. Now inverted comma. How comfortable the horseback is, said the little girl. Inverted comma is used before and after reported speech. Use of inverted comma 2. William Shakespeare was called the King of England's kings. Inverted comma is used to quote a name. A single quotation. Why do we use what? We use what to make interrogative sentence and relate sentences. Single quotation is used to mention a word, especially in a sentence. Use of apostrophe. Jisan book. It will be Jisan's book. I have a pen. I have a pen. Apostrophe is used in possessive case and as contraction form. First one is possessive case and second one is contraction form. Use of hyphen. So father-in-law, it will be father-in-law. Now Bangladesh is an agriculture country. Most of the people of the country are farmers. They are poor. They don't know the scientific method of cultivation. Hyphen is used to add different parts of a compound word and mentioning below the rest part of the last word of a sentence. So first one is compound word. Dash is used to mean something sudden change of thinking or idea. Words in a position and entering in a novelous part in a sentence. If I had not lost my all wealth, but why think of the past? He sold many things, land, furniture. All the men, both rich and poor, will die. Now use of brackets. I have lost all my wealth. So my mother. He, Mr. Hassan, is the best English teacher. My mother, all my wealth. And he, Mr. Hassan. Bracket is used to explain something clear or previous portion or to quote something in the sentences. Now it will be your homework. Now check answers. You have to check the answers of the homework. See you again.